Are you struggling with what to wear this summer? You want to look like the classy lady you are, but you're not quite sure where to start. Stop, drop, and roll. In this video, I'm revealing the ultimate summer capsule wardrobe. Timeless, versatile pieces you can mix and match on the fly to look sleek and classy all summer long, per the usual. Best of all, no matter your age, size, or budget, every woman can do this. Ladies, welcome to our 2024 style series, where every Tuesday and Friday, I'm bringing you fun, engaging style videos to look your best all summer long. From what to wear to a concert, wedding, vacation, or cruise, to flattering looks for your body type, most asked style questions, and more. Don't miss a beat. Without further ado, let's transform your closet and simplify your life. Ladies, a capsule wardrobe is really no more than a small set of basic, versatile clothes, shoes, and accessories that mix and match so you have dozens of different outfit combinations on the fly. Think of these pieces as your summer workhorses. You can then integrate any of the other pieces that you love from your closet for a beautiful, cohesive look. 2 points to remember, ladies. Number one, our capsule today is the most versatile capsule because it's comprised of neutrals: white, cream, beige, gray, tans, navy, and black. You don't have to wear all of them. Choose the neutrals that you love and wear the most. If you hate navy and rarely wear it, exclude it from your capsule. This is for you. 2, hard pass on pieces that you don't like. If every style expert says you must have white jeans for summer, which is what they say, and you hate white jeans, don't buy them. You'll never wear them. Most every style expert says you must have a denim jacket. I hate denim jackets. I will never wear them. One year I bought it thinking I'm gonna get one because everybody says you should have one. It sat in my closet forever until I gave it away. It was a waste of money. You're the boss of you. A classic white pant, whether it's denim, cotton, or both, a white pant goes with everything and it's quintessential crisp, fresh summer. Since the idea is to incorporate classic pieces that never go out of style, you're going to want to look to choose a boot cut or a straight leg. Boot cut and straight leg is flattering on every woman's body. A note on white jeans, ladies. Not everybody loves a white jean, and let's be honest, they're not always that flattering. I don't care what size you are. I found that a relaxed style is much more forgiving and, in my opinion, chic than some of the tighter white jeans. Choose a streamlined silhouette without an overload of fancy pockets, frays, strings, etc. Option 2, instead of a white jean, I opt for this color, which is a light beige, and it looks crisp as a white pant does, but I think they're a little more flattering, and I think it's not so like optic white in your face. I think it's a nicer option. One of my favorite styles, and you ladies know this, and one of the most versatile pieces in your summer capsule wardrobe is a flowy trouser. Pair them with a button down, a platform sneaker for chic day, a sleek bodysuit for date night, a ribbed tank for warmer days. This type of a silhouette is so universally flattering, and it's such a chic and easy look. It'll be your go-to all summer. A great pair of jeans, an absolute must. Stick with a simple, streamlined style, again, in a straight leg or a boot cut. Those are going to be the most universally flattering. They're also going to be the most classic that don't go out of style. I like to have one full length that I can wear with a heel and another that is cropped or cuffed that I can easily wear with a flat sandal or a sneaker during the day for a bit of a sportier look. I also like to stay away from anything frayed at the bottom and distressed or frayed in the knees. I think it's a little juvenile, but you know, you do you. A relaxed short for sure. Buy the length with which you are most comfortable. Relaxed because a tight short, aside from being uncomfortable, it's just not very tasteful. You can most certainly choose a more fitted short if it's a bit longer, but in general, a relaxed fit in the length that you most prefer is going to be the most flattering and the most classic. Pair it with your favorite tank, muscle tees, button-up shirts, even a classic lightweight V-neck cardigan looks super cute with those. A MIDI or a MAXI is the perfect summer piece. I say or because it's really up to you. Some women love a MIDI, some women love a MAXI. Either way, you can't go wrong, so choose your preference. Wear it with a sandal, a wedge, a sneaker. Add a print scarf and sleek sunglasses for a chic look. Belt the waist, wear it loose. Add a sweater as a layering piece. A great go-to and one-piece dressing is every fashionista's secret to a great quick look. Similar to the MAXI or the MIDI, a relaxed jumpsuit is easy one-piece dressing that's incredibly versatile. A flat, a wedge, a sneaker. Use the same styling elements that you'd use with the MAXI or the MIDI. I like this as an option because I don't always like wearing a MAXI. I hate it when it's hot out and your legs are sticking together. That's uncomfortable. This is a great option and just something that works well in your closet. The staple of all staples, a white button down. Never, ever, ever goes out of style, and it can't help but elevate anything with with which you pair it. Trousers, shorts, skirts, anything. Wear it open and layered over a ribbed tank and shorts to kick it up a notch. Wear over a maxi tied off at the waist. It's incredibly versatile and always crisp, chic, and perfect. Light blue, crisp beige, clean colors that look extra fresh in a linen button down. Wear it the same way you'd wear your white button up, just as an added alternative. You don't want to be the woman that always wears that white shirt. Whether it's a tank, muscle tee, button up, or sweater, a striped top is a classic look and an integral part of adding visual interest to your capsule. My personal favorite is navy and white. Clean, crisp, ultra classic, with a little bit of a preppy edge to it. It's an easy way to bump up a pair of solid neutral bottoms. Basics that you'll reach for time and time again all summer long are black and white tank tops or muscle tees. Perfect with skirts, shorts, jeans, trousers, and for layering as well with your button-ups. Ladies, White House Black Market has a slew of rib tanks in various colors and patterns. Choose your favorites, stock up, you will use them all summer long. For a step up from the rib tank, you can go with my favorite, which is the featherweight cashmere tanks from QUINCE. You guys have seen this before because I featured them. These are featherweight, they're super light, not hot. These are exceptionally well priced, $49. It's one of the most purchased pieces by you ladies that I've featured all year long for good reason. This, I bought it in a light gray, I bought it in the black, and I also bought it in navy, but I think it's at the dry cleaners. And when they make more colors, I'm on it. 3 pairs of summer shoes for your capsule. The most versatile sandal color, y'all, isn't black. Can you guess? It's nude. Unlike black, a flesh-toned color creates a visually longer leg, and it doesn't distract from the rest of your outfit the way a harsh black shoe can. This is your workhorse color. I love, love, love my Cole Haan find, ladies. This looks wealthy and luxurious, but it's on sale for $79. Look how cool these are. Such a summer essential for a subtly polished look. Wear it with a sundress, shorts, skirts, summer slacks, anything. It will be your summer workhorse shoe. Summer's heel is a wedge. Gotta have a wedge. Again, a flesh color is going to offer the most versatility, so I would go with that color first and then build on with other colors that you might like. You may like a black, gray, you may like a green, who knows? But start with a nude color. Ladies, I'm showing you a high wedge and a lower wedge. The height is really up to you. Everybody likes to wear a different height heel, and that's your call. I practically live in white sneakers all summer, I gotta be honest. Fresh, clean, and sporty, they can be worn with just about anything summer. Shorts, maxis, crop slacks, denim, super cute. I prefer a little bit of a platform, otherwise I feel short and schlumpy because I'm 5'2". I also like a little bit of a contrasting color, like a navy or a green stripe, or a heel accent like these by Steve Madden. It keeps the sneaker from looking too much like an orthotic nurse's shoe. We don't want to do that. And instead reads a little bit preppy and clean, which I like. It's all about the details, ladies, and that means accessories. A few accessories are what is going to polish your capsule. It's the frosting on the cake. It's the extra in extraordinary. First, simple sunglasses, a black and a neutral. I steer away from branded sunglasses like the plague. No one wants to be a walking billboard. Choose understated, streamlined, unbranded. Boom. A print or a patterned lightweight scarf, necessary. Throw it on last minute to take any neutral outfit combo to, wow, you look great. Classy, polished, effortless, drop mic. Sun hat, same as the scarf. It adds that extra element and it protects your pretty skin. I get one in a neutral color, a black, if you think you'll wear that more. If you already have those, what I would do is I would get something patterned. Wait, hold, I'm gonna show you. Get something that has multiple colors in it or is patterned. This might look funny with this outfit, but you get the idea. This is an Eric Javits hat. It's color block made with neutral colors, and something like this, as you can see, is gonna bump up almost any outfit that you're wearing and just bring it home. Your choice. A pair of hoops, gold or silver, your call, whatever you wear the most. Sexy, laid back, cool, easy to wear. And finally, a raffia or a crochet bag because it says summer all over it. But you know what else says summer? My next video. Chic summer outfit ideas to beat the heat. Have a great weekend, ladies, and I'll see you on Tuesday.